Hey everybody, so I'm in my basement workshop and I'm just finishing up with the drilling stages of a B-flat Fife that I'm making for a customer, a special order in purple. This is as a gift for a granddaughter. But anyhow, I just finished drilling the holes and I haven't polished it, I haven't sanded the flute down or polished it or anything, but I just finished drilling the holes, and this is my favorite part because it's when I get to hear how the flute sounds right off, right out of the gate. And I thought I'd share that with you. And so you can listen in as I test out this brand new PVC B-flat Fife. Not too bad. Thanks for helping me out.